Hi, this is DKS Medico. And do you want to reduce your tension? Because reducing tension improves your sleep and reduces irritation, anxiety, and your depression. I will tell you one reason that will make you shock. You know, according to the Center for Disease Control or National Institute on Occupational Safety and Health, the American Institute of Stress reports 1,20,000 people die every year as the direct result of work related tensions. What you don't know about high blood pressure can hurt you. High blood pressure affects 1 in 3 Americans. Yet, many people with the condition, even they don't know, uncontrolled high blood pressure in simple hypertension raises the risk of heart disease and stroke, which are leading causes of death. Fortunately, high blood pressure is treatable and preventable. To lower your risk, get your blood pressure checked regularly and take actions to control your blood pressure if it is too high. So this video is about top 5 shocking facts about hypertension. Watch the video till end, and at the end of the video I will tell you 5 tips to reduce your tension. And if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. Before starting this video, I just want to introduce the website friendstosupport.org, where you can find blood donors when you need. First, you need to select blood type, then you want to select your country, state and district, then submit. Then you can see who are ready to donate blood with their phone numbers, or you can register here if you want to donate. And check out this link in description below. Number 5. Younger people can have high blood pressure too. High blood pressure doesn't just happen to older people. Adults, about 1 in 4 men and nearly 1 in 5 women aged 35 to 44 has high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of stroke, a condition that is rise among younger people. Experts think that increased risk of stroke among young adults is a direct result of rising rates of obesity, high blood pressure and diabetes condition. Younger people should get their blood pressure checked at least once each year. Number 4. High blood pressure usually don't have any symptoms. High blood pressure is sometimes called silent killer. Most people with high blood pressure don't have any symptoms such as sweating or headaches, because many people feel fine. Even if you feel normal, your health may be at risk. Talk to your doctor about your risk for high blood pressure. Number 3. High blood pressure may be linked to dementia. Recent studies shows that high blood pressure is linked to high risk for dementia. Dementia in the sense memory loss, difficulty in concentration, mood changes, etc. Some evidence suggests that having uncontrolled high blood pressure during midlife age 45 to 65 creates a high risk for dementia later in life. It's never too early to start thinking about your blood pressure and taking steps to manage it. Number 2. Many people who have high blood pressure, they don't know it. About 11 million adults with high blood pressure are not even aware they have it and are not receiving treatment to control their blood pressure. Most people with uncontrolled blood pressure have health insurance and visit a healthcare provider at least twice a year, but the condition remains same and diagnosis hidden from doctor and patient. Ask your doctor what your blood pressure number means and whether they are too high. Stick to your treatment plan and follow your provider's advice if you are diagnosed with high blood pressure. Number 1. Women and minorities face unique risk when it comes to high blood pressure. Women with high blood pressure who become pregnant are more likely to have complications during pregnancy than those with normal blood pressure. High blood pressure can harm a mother's kidney and other organs, and it can cause low birth weight and early delivery. Certain types of birth control can also raise a woman's risk for high blood pressure. Women with high blood pressure who want to become pregnant should work with their healthcare team to lower their blood pressure before becoming pregnant. Now it's time to say 5 tips to reduce your tension. What you can do by living a healthy lifestyle. You can help keep your blood pressure in a healthy range and lower your risk for heart disease and stroke. A healthy lifestyle includes eating a healthy diet, maintaining a healthy weight, getting enough physical activities, not smoking, limiting alcohol use. Thanks for watching. So guys, if you like this video, smash that like button. Please do share and subscribe. Do it right now. That's it for today. Bye bye. Take care. You guys have a great day.
Zombie apocalypse.